Everything in life is a game. Everything. And see, it's almost mind-boggling, right? I remember the first time when someone would tell me, or these people would tell me, this is how it happens, this is how it works, this is how elections, this is how people get these certain positions. And I would be like, that can't be that, but that's not how it is. That's not what I see in the news. That's not what I was taught growing up. But then, yeah, certain people will speak to you and they'll share with you things, and then you go do your homework, right? And you see it. And then they can almost predict what happens. And then you start thinking, wait a minute, how did so-and-so, or how did this group know what was going to happen in the stock market before it happened? How did they know how? And then you start saying, and what common sense tells me these people have to actually know what they're talking about, right? Either that or they're psychic. You know what I mean? There's some wizards out there. So I'm just going to put this out there, okay? Now, before I say this, wrong comprehension leads to wrong questions, okay? Listen to me. Wrong comprehension leads to wrong questions, okay? So let me just say what I'm going to say, and I've been saying this, okay? And before I say it, I was one of the ones saying, focus on China, focus on New York. One of the ones. And I think it was me and the line, right? Focus on China, focus on New York. People didn't understand what I was talking about. We're going to see it in 2019. We've been seeing it in the news. I've been telling you this is deeper than what you think, okay? Deeper than what you think. And we're going to start seeing it in 2019. We're going to start seeing it in 2020. By the way, I'm going to mention this. In the year 2019, okay, I'm going to mention this. 2019, first quarter, you're going to see a very well-known investor give a signal for cryptocurrencies. I'm going to put that out there. It's going to be big news. Now, again, wrong comprehension leads to the wrong questions. When? Is that going to lead to the bull? Listen, I'm just telling you that, okay? Be ready be on the lookout for that. Okay, so what I'm going to say, again, remember, wrong comprehension leads to wrong questions. Trillions and trillions of dollars will be coming into the cryptocurrency market. Now, you say that now, people will look at you crazy, right? People are going to think I'm crazy. But again, listen how I started the first part of this video, okay? That's all I'm trying to say. I'm not going to go too long in this video. I got a lot of things going on in my life right now. I will mention this. Investigate Relex. For those of you who need to understand Relex, investigate Relex. Do your research on Relex. I'm not going to tell you to invest in Relex, but investigate Relex. For those of you in the secret Telegram channel, you know how I like to use the word invest and investigate. Just, again, not financial advice, just my humble opinion. And again, trillions and trillions of dollars will be coming into the cryptocurrency market. Again, wrong comprehension leads to wrong questions. Do not do anything crazy. Again, if you're part of my secret Telegram channel, you understand I said don't do anything crazy, but just don't focus on the nonsense. And here's another thing. Don't speak to other people about this. They're going to think you're crazy, right? And that's a really good thing. That's bullish news, because when this happens, they're the ones that are going to be FOMOing in, but you've already been in. You already have your seed in, right? When the harvest comes, they're going to want to plant the seed during harvest time. But you're planting the seed when it's the correct time to plant. So when the harvest comes, you have it. You don't plant when it's harvest time. You don't plant. There's a season to plant. There's a season for the harvest. There's a season to reap. All right, so I got a lot of things going on in my life right now. Just trying to share some things with you guys. Have some patience with me. I'm not giving up on social media. I just had a crazy week, an exciting week. Just had my second born, so just trying to get everything wrapped up. But I'm back, baby. I'm back. So just little by little. So have some patience. Follow me at Twitter, 007MacMac007. Ask for my secret Telegram channel. By the way, I will be closing my secret Telegram channel. Well, let me say it better like this. I'm not closing down my secret Telegram channel. What I mean is that I'm closing any new entries. All right. So if you're in, you're in. If you haven't, got in, time is ticking. It's going to be like Noah's Ark. Once that boat's gone, that boat's gone. Right? Once that flood comes in, it's too late. All right? I'm not closing down the secret Telegram channel. I like to spread my news there. Twitter's for Twitter. Secret Telegram's for Secret Telegram. But follow me at Twitter, 007MacMac007. Like my videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's a great way to bless me. Hit the bell. I share information with you. Do your part. Be a blessing. I bless, you bless, we bless. We all bless each other. That's how it is, baby. All right, guys. So, again, like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, follow me on Twitter, 007MacMac007, and you already know, I'm out. Be blessed.